Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, Ethereum all emerged to allow us to alleviate the social and economical issues we are just now beginning to understand. I promise you that it will make you think and consider the broad economic consequences of what we are likely to face in our lifetime. The main reason this generation wants to reinvent money is because our own money is being used as a weapon against us to strip us from our future prosperity. In my opinion, the only technological revolution that is happening right now that will help the current generations get out of the economic slump is by leveraging crypto and blockchain into our own revolution. There is a catalyst for all of this. Mortgages, lending and spending above our means and fractional reserve banking are devaluing the fiat currencies around the world that we use. To put it in simple terms, imagine this. You and I arrive at a party which has long come to an end. You see the leftover food and empty bottles everyone else has consumed, and you're expected to pay for it. In a nutshell, that's what's happening in our economy. Leftover food and empty bottles represents the debt that has been accumulating over the last years, last decades. What's the solution for that? Well, governments think it's quantitative easing. So that's why I choose a monetary system that is backed by code, cryptography, is immutable and has a fixed supply. That is what makes it invaluable. Cryptocurrencies are an attempt to fix the broken monetary policy of nations. The debt ceiling is increasing and measures are put in place to help those in power earn more, instead of making sure that the minimum wage is adjusted accurately to match the inflation. If you look at it like that, for the last 50 years, the minimum wage has been going down, the 2019 inflation adjusted prices. And it's not only the minimum wage, it's for all other wages. If we look at the interest on our bank, money saved by the banks is used to be higher than the inflation rate, but now the interest rate is lower than the inflation rate. So a simple example for that is, let's say you've got like $100 in saving account that pays around 1% interest rate. After a year, you have around $101 in your account. But if the rate of inflation is running around 2%, you need $102 next year in your account to have the same buying power that you started with. So basically you're losing in buying power. So you lost a lot of buying power, and anytime your savings don't grow at the same rate as the inflation, you effectively lose money. If we go back and look at the 2008 financial crisis, we saw the first symptoms, and we saw those taking risks with our money almost destroy the world economy. And who was left to pay the bill? Well, basically the people who took the risk for us? No, not really. By now we all know the story. Governments worldwide implemented bailouts, created quantitative easing, which devalued our money substantially overnight. And that is the problem we face when a government controls our money. They can arbitrarily impose devaluations on our currency. So $100 today might only be worth $80 tomorrow, and there's nothing you can do about it. So what everyone needs to understand is that we can write the future with this new revolution, and in my opinion, cryptocurrency is our only opportunity at a new start of economic freedom. So what we can do is basically reject participating in a world that has these type of rules and dictates how we spend our money, the value of our money, how much money exists and what backs it. That is why existing institutions, banks and governments are so scared. People have realized that money is nothing but a collective belief in the myth of value. It's not backed by anything. We have realized that we don't have to participate in a society which restricts us to the debt of our ancestors. We can cast these shackles away and participate in the future we want to create by controlling our own money. We are the ones who choose which money we use, and money has been used to control people and countries throughout history. Governments, central banks and institutions have dictated the monetary policies which favors the wealthy and constrains our economic opportunities. However, now we have a technology which has never existed before, and it's very powerful. It allows us to take back control of our monetary supply. Now we have an alternative to fiat currencies. We have a store of value and a way to transact between parties, and this is revolutionary and incredible. In 2019, more people worldwide owned a smartphone than a bank account. Think about that. This number even increases each year, and smartphones allow everyone access to global cryptocurrencies that are not regulated by a government or subject to local economical policies. Each person can access global digital currencies without having to ask for permission from anyone. and it can send transactions to other people without asking for permission. Unbanked can access a larger number of financial services that they didn't have any access to because they couldn't go to a bank. The bank was too far away. So yeah, there's a lot of possibilities, and in my opinion, cryptocurrency is the future because it allows us to move away from a flawed monetary policy and crippling debt imposed on us by past generations. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I appreciate all the feedback I get. Every like, subscription, comment and so on helps this channel grow. And if you want to be part of the sub 1,000 team, then I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you like the video. If you've got any comments, feedback and so on, leave them down in the description below. I try and respond to every comment. I do my best to do that, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.